Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Hero 5 lens is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any action camera enthusiast looking to elevate their footage from good to absolutely breathtaking, transforming ordinary shots into cinematic masterpieces with enhanced clarity, vibrant colors, and unparalleled detail, ensuring every adventure is captured with professional-grade quality that truly stands out. Number 5. SOONSUN 3-Pack Dive Filter for GoPro Hero 567 Black. Capture stunning underwater moments with enhanced colors and contrast. This professional 3-in-1 diving filter set provides outstanding improvement for your video and photography. Attaching them is incredibly easy thanks to their direct snap-on design. Simply secure them to your official GoPro Super Suit housing case. This pack includes a red, light red, and magenta filter, offering versatility for different underwater conditions. They help correct color for various depths and water types. Each filter features a reserved slot for a safety tether. Use the included tethers to prevent accidental loss while exploring underwater. They are designed to work seamlessly with your GoPro Original Super Suit housing for Hero 5, 6, 7 Black, and Hero 2018. They also fit SOONSUN waterproof housing cases. Please ensure they are mounted on an official GoPro Super Suit housing case, not directly on the camera lens. They are not compatible with third-party GoPro cases. What we like. This set provides outstanding improvement for underwater footage. It enhances colors and improves contrast, making your videos pop. If you frequently dive with your GoPro Super Suit and want vibrant, professional-looking underwater shots, this is an essential accessory for you. What people say. Number 4. Protective Lens Replacement for Action Camera 567. Safeguard your action camera's lens from the elements. This high-quality replacement cover extends its lifespan by preventing dust, oil, water, and scratches. Designed with a precise 1:1 ratio to your camera, it ensures a perfect match. You won't even notice it's there, except for the added security. Accidents happen, but with this lens, you're always prepared. It provides an essential layer of defense, keeping your original lens safe from unexpected damage. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Replacing a damaged cover is simple, just a slight turn and your camera is ready for action again. The flat glass design ensures your shooting quality remains pristine. It allows you to capture the most realistic and vibrant scenery without any distortion. What we like. This replacement lens offers crucial protection for your camera. It shields against dust, oil, water, and scratches, ensuring your original lens stays pristine. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to safeguard your camera's lens or need a quick replacement for a damaged one, this is a perfect fit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Cannot extract points as the source is empty. Number 3. BO&DQQ GoPro Hero 765 Black Waterproof Kit. Get ready for your next adventure with this comprehensive kit. It includes a robust waterproof housing case and a floating hand grip, designed specifically for your GoPro Hero 7, 6, or 5 Black. Engineered with upgraded seals and fasteners, this housing ensures no water leakage. It allows you to take your camera up to 147 feet, 45 meters, deep, perfect for capturing stunning underwater moments. Crafted from high-quality PMMA hard plastic, it shields your device from dust, scratches, mud, and debris during all your extreme activities. The 12H tempered glass lens protector not only keeps the lens safe but also ensures crystal clear, realistic photos. The included textured EVA non-slip floating grip ensures your camera stays safely on the water's surface. With its anti-lost rope, you can securely attach it to your wrist, preventing any accidental loss. To guarantee your photos are always sharp and clear, remember to install 2 to 4 anti-fog inserts before use. These inserts are reusable and prevent internal fogging, ensuring every shot is perfect. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides extreme waterproof protection for your camera. It allows for deep-sea diving up to 45 meters and includes a floating hand grip for security. If you're an adventurer who engages in extreme water sports or deep diving and needs robust protection and buoyancy, this package is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per instructions. Number 2. GoPro Hero 567 Protective Lens Cover. Is your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 lens cover broken or scratched? This replacement is the ideal solution to bring your camera back to perfect condition. It's specifically designed to be compatible with your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 black camera. You can trust it will fit seamlessly. This UV protective lens is made from high-transparency glass. It ensures your images remain unaffected, delivering pristine clarity every time. Don't worry about complicated setups. It's incredibly easy to install, requiring no special tools. You can have it ready in minutes. You'll receive a brand new, flat glass lens cover, securely packed in a hard box. This ensures it arrives in perfect condition, ready for use. What we like. This replacement cover is perfect for repairing a damaged lens. Its UV protective glass ensures high transparency without affecting image quality. If your original lens cover is scratched or broken and you need an easy-to-install, high-quality replacement to maintain clear footage, this is a great choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. SOONSUN Lens Filter Set for GoPro Hero 567 Black. Introducing a specialized 3-pack lens filter set designed exclusively for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 black camera. These filters are engineered to elevate your outdoor and underwater photography. The ND8 filter, crafted from high-grade optical glass, reduces light by 3 f-stops. It minimizes glare and prevents overexposure, ensuring crystal-clear footage in bright sunlight. For blue or clear freshwater, the red filter enhances colors at depths of 2 to 25 feet. It's perfect for capturing stunning visuals during snorkeling and shallow water swimming. When shooting in green water, the magenta filter corrects colors for a more natural look. It's ideal for lakes, rivers, and swimming pools, bringing out the true beauty of your underwater scenes. These filters feature a convenient snap-on design, attaching directly to your camera lens. No need to remove the original lens, making installation quick and completely hassle-free. The package includes all 3 filters, a drawstring pouch, and tethers for secure attachment. It's designed for adventurers seeking vibrant, high-quality footage in diverse environments. What we like. This versatile filter set enhances footage in various environments. It includes an ND8 for bright light and red magenta filters for underwater color correction. If you shoot in diverse conditions, from bright outdoor scenes to shallow snorkeling, and want to achieve balanced and vibrant colors without removing your original lens, this set is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.